Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Dhaka IELTS Centre, and today we will be learning about phrasal verbs. What are phrasal verbs? You have a few of them. Carry on. That means continue. Continue to do something. For example, you see someone is doing something. You will say, carry on with your work. That means continue. Let's move on to the next one. See off. What does it mean? To say goodbye when someone is leaving. Like, let's say you have guests at your home and it's time for them to leave. And they are already going out of the door. So what you do? You're gonna see them off. Probably you're gonna wave farewell to them. Goodbye. So you're seeing them off. There's a sentence over here provided. He saw her off as she picked at him from the window of the train. Let's move to the next one. Hold back. What does that mean? To stop yourself from doing something. Let's look at the sentences. I was holding back my tears while watching the movie. Probably the person doesn't feel okay crying in front of others. Let's move to the next one. He wanted to laugh, but he held back. Let's say you're sitting on the meeting and all of a sudden you found something funny, but it's not good to laugh in front of everyone. Okay? Let's move to the next one. Let in. Allowing someone or something inside. Okay? Let your friends in. Let's say you see people holding the door or something. You will tell, let them in. Why are you holding the door, right? Just like the sentence in number 1. Number 2, why don't you let him in? Just open the door, let him in, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Pass out. What does it mean? It means to faint, right? There are 2 sentences provided over here. The weather was so hot that he passed out. That means he fainted. Sentence number 2 says, she felt so dizzy, she almost passed out. That means you faint, you lose your consciousness. Let's move on to the next one. Take down. To write something down. You probably heard the phrase, people say, jot down the notes, right? So I will tell, once the class started, everyone started taking down the notes. That means you're writing down in the paper. I hope you learned a lot from the phrasal verbs today. Hit like, share the video, and stay tuned with Dhaka IELTS Centre. Bye.